Hey Fit Fam, Nutrition Coach Ellen here with you all again, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a super simple recipe that you can make at home to boost immune health. And if you've been watching some of our nutrition videos, you've heard myself and nutrition coach Stacy talk about whole foods and the importance of whole foods and foods that help support a healthy immune system. So today we're going to be making an immune boosting smoothie using some of those foods that we've been talking about. And the very first ingredient that's going in our smoothie today is going to be an orange. So we're going to use half of a navel orange into our smoothie. And the orange is where a lot of the vitamin C in this recipe is coming from. And vitamin C is helping to support healthy immune function in our body, as it actually helps our bodies to promote more white blood cell production and antibody production. And if you guys remember from a few videos back, those are our little defender cells, and they're warding off pathogen and disease and infection, and they are truly supporting a healthy immune system. The next thing that's going in our smoothie is we're going to use half an inch of fresh ginger, and we're going to peel and rinse that. We're also going to use half an inch of fresh turmeric. We're going to peel and rinse that as well. And if you guys don't have the fresh, that's just fine. You can use the ground and dried as well. About a 1/4 teaspoon would suffice in replacement. And the roots is really where we get our anti-inflammatory properties. And anti-inflammatory is really important for healthy immune system and supporting immune health. The next ingredient that's going in our smoothie is actually just a little bit, so 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. And black pepper, guys, a really awesome property with this is it helps our bodies to absorb more nutrients. So when we put black pepper on our meals, into a smoothie, into a shake, we're actually absorbing and getting more out of the nutrition that we're eating. So really great to add to your meals, your shakes, and your smoothies when you can. The next ingredient we're using is leafy greens, so a little bit of spinach. We're gonna use 1 cup of fresh spinach into this smoothie, and we're gonna get a ton of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties from our fresh spinach. The next ingredient going in the smoothie, we're gonna use 1 whole banana. I like to peel and freeze mine, and then I'll pop it in. When it's frozen, it'll have the smoothie be nice and cold and fresh once we blend it. The next thing we're using is some Greek yogurt. We're gonna use a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and you can use a plain or vanilla, low sugar. You can also use, in replacement to the Greek yogurt, is our True Lean vanilla protein powder, which is excellent. So if you're gonna use the True Lean protein powder, you'd use 1 scoop. And then lastly, we're gonna put 1 cup of a plant-based milk, so an almond milk or a coconut milk, into that smoothie. And I actually have everything all ready to go to be blended right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that. All right, guys, let's see how it turned out. Okay, so here is our immune boosting smoothie, packed with vitamin C, tons of antioxidants, and that is it for our nutrition video today. We're excited to tune in and see you guys next week. Have a great week.